This is looking so good. Oh my God. Today I'll be making the 2-ingredient ice cream from Bigger Bolder Baking. I'm doing vanilla, mango, and cookies and cream. I'll be using whipping cream, sweetened condensed milk, pure vanilla extract, mango, and cookies. The whipping cream has to be 35% or higher to whip up properly. It also needs to be very cold, so keep it in the fridge right before you use it. You want to whip it on medium to medium-high speed until soft peaks form. And this is 2 cups of whipping cream that I'm using here. You want to check from time to time. It's not quite there yet. This will take at least 2 to 3 minutes. There we go. And it's at this stage that you want to add in your condensed milk. I also made sure that my sweetened condensed milk was extremely cold, so I put it into the fridge the night before. We are pouring in 1 can of the condensed milk into the 2 cups of whipping cream. You want to make sure you get all that condensed milk out of the can. The condensed milk is what adds sweetness to the ice cream. And now I'm going to whip this on high until stiff peaks form. Just gonna whip that condensed milk in with the whipped cream. As you can see, it continues to expand. This is looking pretty good. I like to check with a spoon just to make sure the condensed milk is mixed throughout. I don't want any of the condensed milk to be stuck at the bottom. Continue to mix it on high until it reaches stiff peaks. I like to turn my bowl to make sure the whipping is even. This recipe makes quite a lot of ice cream. Another couple minutes, whipping it on high should get us to the stiff peak stage. And we're pretty much there, almost there. At this stage, I'm gonna be adding in some pure vanilla extract. The alcohol in the extract is supposed to help it freeze better. I'm just gonna whip that vanilla extract right in and beat that together. I'm checking for stiff peaks. So stiff peak means that it holds its shape when you lift it out. You don't want to overbeat it, otherwise it could curdle, and that's not what we want here. I'm just gonna give it a taste. Oh, yummy. So what we have here is our vanilla-based ice cream. If I go ahead and freeze this right now, we're gonna get vanilla ice cream. But today I'm going to make some mango ice cream. This is the mango I pureed earlier. Also gonna be using about 5 chocolate cookies. I'm gonna divide this into 3 and I'm gonna flavor it with the mango and the chocolate cookies to make cookies and cream. I've got 3 airtight containers here and I'm just gonna divide this ice cream base into 3. Add a little bit more for the mango and the cookies and cream first. For my mango flavor, I'm gonna add the mango puree right into the ice cream. I'm gonna add about half of that puree for now. Mix it in. This is looking gorgeous. Pop on the lid, and it goes right into the freezer. Cookies and cream one, very simple. Add your cookies. Just stir and fold those cookies in. I'm very curious to see how these 2 ice creams will turn out. What I'm noticing is the cookies and cream ice cream actually holds its structure better. I think that the mango puree has more moisture in it, so we'll see how it freezes up. So I have my vanilla ice cream left here. This container is too large for it. This is looking like soft serve ice cream. It is looking really good. I'm gonna pop this into the freezer for overnight or at least 6 hours to harden. Actually took it out of the freezer to show you what it looks like before it freezes. So that's the mango, cookies and cream, and that's the vanilla. So excited to enjoy this tomorrow. So this is the next day and I've taken my ice cream out of the freezer. I'm gonna start with scooping the vanilla to see how it scoops. Wow. It's very easily scoopable. I'm so impressed. I just wanna show you the mango ice cream and how scoopable it is. So the cookies and cream ice cream is much softer than the mango, but here it is. Mango, vanilla, cookies and cream, ice cream. This is looking so good. I can't wait to give it a taste. 2-ingredient ice cream. Hopefully it's focusing so you can see. I'm gonna try the vanilla one first. I'm gonna do the mango one, and I want you to see the texture of it. Look at that. Now I used real mango in this, and I can taste that natural mango flavor coming through real strong. Cookies and cream. Let's give that one a taste. Oh my God. Wow. Okay. Oh wow. Cookies and cream. Exceptional. Definitely my favorite flavor. I'm gonna give vanilla another taste. So what I noticed about this ice cream right off the bat is it's very scoopable. It's soft. The mango one is all right, I'll be honest with you. I think if I added in a little bit of sugar to the mango puree, it would have helped. You do have to wait like 6 hours or overnight for it to freeze. You're not gonna be disappointed though. This is good. This is really good. The texture of the cookies and cream is a little bit softer, but with the cookies in there, it doesn't really make that big of a difference. The texture of the mango one is a little bit more like a harder ice cream, and the vanilla is just like a soft serve ice cream. It's really, really good. Dream recipe. So some final thoughts. Very easy, 2-ingredient ice cream. You can add whatever flavors you want and just customize it to your liking. Store-bought ice cream, you're kind of restricted to just the flavors that they have. And in terms of flavor, it's delicious and it will depend on what you put into it. In terms of texture, it's more like the soft serve style of ice cream. Definitely try it. That would be my recommendation. And if you enjoyed this, please give me a like and hit that thumbs up button. Let me know in the comments below if you made this 2-ingredient ice cream and what flavors you made. And I will see you soon. Bye for now.